Connected, no internet. This one is probably the most confusing Wi-Fi error because everything looks perfectly fine. The Wi-Fi icon is full, your device says it's connected, but the internet acts like it's on vacation. The thing is, your phone has successfully connected to the router, but the router itself can't reach the internet. This usually happens because the internet service is down, the modem has lost its connection, or the router is having a temporary problem. The easiest fix is to restart your modem and router, then check if other devices have the same issue. If nothing works, the problem is most likely with your internet provider. Authentication error. Think of this as the Wi-Fi asking, "Password please." If the answer isn't exactly right, the door stays closed. Most of the time, this error appears because the password is incorrect, but it can also happen if the router's security settings and your device don't agree with each other. Sometimes the password was changed weeks ago, and your phone is still confidently using the old one. The simple fix is to forget the network, re-enter the password carefully, and connect again. If it still refuses, restarting the router, and your device usually clears the issue. Unable to join network. This is Wi-Fi's favorite way of saying, something went wrong. Good luck figuring out what. The error doesn't point to one specific problem because many different things can cause it. The signal might be weak, the router may be overloaded, or a software glitch could interrupt the connection. Moving closer to the router, restarting both devices, or forgetting the network and reconnecting often solves it. Network not found. Your device is searching everywhere for a Wi-Fi network that it simply can't see. The reason? Maybe the router is turned off, you're too far away, or the Wi-Fi name has been changed. Refresh the Wi-Fi list, move closer to the router, and make sure the router is actually broadcasting the network. If the network name was changed, you'll need to connect using the new one. IP address conflict. Every device connected to a network needs its own unique IP address. You can think of it like a house number. If two houses somehow end up with the same number, the mail carrier has no idea where to deliver the letters. That's exactly what happens here. Two devices are trying to use the same IP address, and the router gets confused. Restarting the affected device or rebooting the router usually assigns a fresh IP address and fixes the problem within a minute or two. DNS Server Not Responding. The DNS server is basically the internet's translator. You type a website name like google.com, and DNS translates it into an address your computer understands. When the DNS server stops responding, your device knows what website you want but has no idea where to find it. It's a bit like having someone's name but losing their phone number. Restarting the router often fixes the issue. If not, switching to a public DNS service like Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS can usually get things working again. Captive portal required. You've probably seen this one at airports, hotels, cafés, or shopping malls. Your device connects to the Wi-Fi, but the internet still doesn't work until you sign in or accept the terms on a web page. It's basically the network saying, "Welcome," but first, one small form. Channel interference. Wi-Fi travels through radio channels, and sometimes too many routers are trying to use the same one at the same time. Imagine several people talking loudly in the same room. Everyone can hear noise, but nobody hears each other clearly. It often happens in apartment buildings or crowded neighborhoods where dozens of Wi-Fi networks sit close together. Changing your router to a less crowded channel or switching to the 5 GHz band can greatly improve speed and connection stability. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment with your idea for the next one. I'd love to hear your suggestions. See you in the next video.